Learn Hindi introductions fast. What is your name? And
मेरा नाम है.
welcome to your first Hindi hello. Hey, you're about to learn how to survive a first meeting in Hindi without pointing at yourself like a confused potato. Let's make introductions easy, polite, and a little funny. Imagine you walk into a room in Delhi, smile bravely, and your brain suddenly turns into mashed bananas. Don't worry. Today you only need 3 super useful phrases. First, to ask someone their name, say,
आपका नाम क्या है?
to say your own name, say,
मेरा नाम है.
and to be warm and polite, say,
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
congratulations, you now have the social toolkit of a charming beginner. Your main phrases. Let's meet the stars of the chapter. Say them slowly with me, like you are teaching a very polite parrot. Phrase 1. What is your name? In Hindi is.
आपका नाम क्या है?
This is polite and respectful. Phrase 2. My name is, in Hindi is.
मेरा नाम है.
Just insert your name in the middle. Phrase 3. Nice to meet you, in Hindi is.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
It sounds warm, friendly, and civilized. Very useful if you want to seem like a functioning adult. Tiny story, big memory. Now listen to a short scene. Picture it clearly, because your memory loves drama. You enter a language class. A cheerful teacher with legendary eyebrow control smiles at you and asks,
आपका नाम क्या है?
You point to yourself, resist the urge to say, human, and answer.
मेरा नाम एलेक्स है.
The teacher nods kindly and says,
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
You smile back, feeling like an international genius instead of a lost sandwich. Build the meaning. Let's break the phrases into chunks so your brain can stop pretending this is magic. In.
आपका नाम क्या है? आपका.
Means, your.
नाम.
Means, name, and.
क्या है?
Means, what is. In.
मेरा नाम है. मेरा.
Means, my.
नाम.
Means, name, and.
है.
Means, is. In.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
Think of it as, meeting you brought happiness. Which is a very poetic way to say, nice to meet you. Say it like a human. Time for repetition. You listen, pause, and say it out loud. Yes, out loud. Your ceiling fan is now your study partner. Ask politely.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Again.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Now answer.
मेरा नाम सैम है.
Again with your own name.
मेरा नाम है.
Now the friendly closer.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
One more time.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
Mini dialogue. Here comes a simple conversation. You can use this almost immediately in real life. Person A. Hello.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Person B.
मेरा नाम रीमा है.
Person A.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
Person B.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
Yes, both people can say it. Funny memory tricks. Let's glue these phrases into your memory with ridiculous images, because boring flashcards are not always enough. Imagine a giant glowing name badge floating in the sky asking,
आपका नाम क्या है?
Imagine your backpack introducing itself at a job interview.
मेरा नाम बैग है.
Very confident backpack. Imagine a superhero landing gently, shaking your hand, and saying,
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
Very polite superhero. Probably does taxes on time. Quick quiz. Let's see if the phrases are sticking. No pressure. Okay, a tiny bit of pressure. The fun kind. How do you say, what is your name, in Hindi? Answer.
आपका नाम क्या है?
How do you say, my name is Maya? Answer.
मेरा नाम माया है.
How do you say, nice to meet you? Answer.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
What does
नाम.
mean? It means name. Your challenge. Now it's your turn. You're going to do a full intro and you're absolutely ready. Say this sequence aloud. First.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Then answer for yourself.
मेरा नाम है.
Finally, smile and say.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
If you did that, you just completed a real Hindi first meeting exchange. Look at you, being all impressive. See you next time. You did great today. Seriously, your Hindi just became much more useful in under 10 minutes. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing.
आपका नाम क्या है? मेरा नाम है.
And.
आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई.
Until they feel natural. Try them with your own name, try them in front of a mirror, and try them with confidence. Thanks for listening and keep practicing your Hindi.